Okay, transformation makeup from today to the past. Yung mga 1960s, 70s, and 80s daw. Okay. Anong transformation niya for 60s, 70s, and 80s? Wow, this is 60s, 64. Oh my God. Kita niyo yun? Yung transformation niya. Poof! Ganda. Okay, next! 1950s makeup. Whoa! Okay. Wow. So, nakita nyo na kung ano yung itsura dati ng mga lola nyo noong 1950s. Yan po ang mga itsura nila. Ganyan po sila kagaganda. Yan. Pinay power. Okay, 80s makeup naman. Ganyan na ganyan. 80s. Yes. I was born in the 80s yan. Nakita ko naman yung... Yan yung itsura ng 80s yan. Kaya medyo, dati kasi yung mga picture ng mga lola ko yan. Nakita ko rin yung mga 60s and 70s. Yan yung mga itsura nila. Whew, mind-blowing. Galing. Okay, next! Last! Oy, si Madam ulit! 1994, doing my makeup here. I was born 1994. Okay, 90s, early. Okay, wow. Kita ko na naman si Madam. Kita yung itsura niya. Di ba? Yung itsura niya na parang haggard, pero nakita niyo naman yung nag-ayos siya. Kakaiba talaga. True Pinoy beauty. Pinay power. Oh my God. Woo! Peace! So guys, yung mga nakita nyo nga na video natin na yun nga, yung 1950s, 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s na mga makeup. Yan, sino ang nagustuhan nyo dun sa apat? Bahala na lang po kayo. Comment na lang po sa comment section, okay? Peace and one love guys! And shoutout time po tayo. First shoutout po kay Fe Lunskuna. Yeah, what's up Fe? And next shoutout naman po, yan from Zamboanga City, Khalid He or Jaji. Yan, I hope tama yung pronunciation ko. Next naman po kay Ken Reponte. What's up? And next naman po kay Ian John Deli. Okay, what's up Ian? And next naman po kay Kevin Ken Caruana from Malonoy Daoh, Kapit. And that's it guys, until to the next reaction video na nakikita natin dito sa SOCMED. Don't forget to like, follow, and share. Peace and one love guys. See ya!